In this demonstration, we'll show you how the external accountant can leverage Dynamics 365 for Business Central. In some organizations, the external CPA is an essential part and an extension of the finance department. Now, in this presentation, there are only two steps. First, you, while you're logged into Business Central, would invite your external accountant. Then, the second step is that the external accountant will receive an email link. They'll accept the terms and then log into Business Central. Let's take a look. So the first step is to invite your external accountant. Now, if your company relies on an external accountant to manage your books and the financial reporting, you can easily invite them at no additional cost to your instance of Business Central so they can work with you on your financial information. Now, once the accountant has gained access to Business Central, they simply log into the accountant role center that gives them access to the key relevant information they need to perform their work. So while you're logged in to Business Central, you'll notice up at the top I've got setup and extensions already highlighted. I'll select on the assisted setup, and this just has a wizard menu that helps me walk through the appropriate steps. I'll select on the invite external accountant. I'll read through the terms in the agreement. Once I do, I simply accept. I'll select on next. I'll enter in the email address as well as the first and last name of the individual that I want to invite. And then I'll select next in the wizard and close. And that is the only steps that you need to perform. Next, as the external CPA, I open up my inbox. I'm going to read through the email. I'll click on the link and then I'll launch Business Central. So here's the email, a pretty standard formatted email. I'll open up that link. It'll authenticate me and it will bring me into the role center designated for the accountant. Now again, this security is assigned and will enable the external accountant to manage almost everything within the application, with the exception of obvious tasks such as administration and security responsibilities. The goal of this scenario was to demonstrate how an external accountant would benefit from using Dynamics 365 Business Central. The benefits are to streamline the communication between you, your company, and your CPA while improving control of the data within your business.